Dear God, if you're really listening, I've got some things I need to say. I don't wanna just survive, I wanna feel alive. But every time I try to stand, this world cuts me like a knife. They say have faith, but I'm broken inside. How can I pray when I'm losing my mind? I've been screaming to the sky, but it echoes back silence. Trying to find peace in a world full of violence. Why do the wicked always get to win? Why does love hurt more than sin? I've seen churches that lie, and preachers who steal, and people wear crosses but don't know how it feels to be judged for your past while you're fighting for light. Is that really what you planned when you gave us this life?
Dear God, are you listening now? 'Cause I'm lost trying to figure it out. I need hope, not just words in a book. Won't you meet me where the pain gets overlooked?
I'm not perfect, I've done things I'm not proud of. I've lied, I've cursed, I've let people down. Love, I've walked in the dark with no sense of direction. But I'm here asking you for redemption. Why do children starve while others throw food? Why is truth silenced when money rules the room? Why is race still a weapon and peace just a word? Why is it so hard to feel seen or heard? If you made us in your image, why are we so divided? Every war, every tear, did you ever try to guide it? I'm not here to disrespect, I'm just searching for the meaning. If pain makes us stronger, why am I still bleeding?
Dear God, are you watching me cry? Do you hear all these questions inside? Are you close when the world shuts me out? Are you real in a sea full of doubt?
If you're love, then teach me how to forgive. If you're peace, then show me how to live. If you're light, then shine when I can't see. If you're God, then be God to me.
I'm not asking for a miracle, just a sign that you're still near. I'll keep walking through the fire if I know that you'll appear.
Dear God, this is rich music, and I just needed you to hear me.